Hi, I'm Maurice Dixon. We are here to talk about EDIC's Bravo fabric cleaning system. Some people may call the Bravo a spotter. We think it's so much more than that. We're going to call it the Bravo fabric cleaning system. Let's show you what we mean. The Bravo is quiet, compact, and lightweight, just 17 pounds. It is easy to carry, or with the optional luggage type handle and large wheels, it's easy to roll from place to place. Small, lightweight, and powerful. With pump pressure of 55 psi and a two-stage bypass vacuum motor giving you 85 inches of water lift, or an optional vac motor with 106 inches of water lift, that's power. The Bravo is versatile. You can choose from 3 hand tools, stainless steel floor wands, a spray wand, EDIC's power wand, and a hard floor tool. The Bravo does it all. There you have it, EDIC's fabric cleaning system, the Bravo. It's lightweight, easy to maneuver, powerful, and affordable. Perfect for use anywhere there's fabric to be cleaned. Upholstery, carpets, partitions, even vehicles, to be used for quick pickups or scheduled cleaning. And like all of EDIC's equipment, it is built with you in mind. Thanks for watching. For more information on the Bravo, just call EDIC, toll-free 1-800-338-EDIC. Be sure and ask for our catalog, which shows our complete line of innovative carpet, upholstery, and floor care products.